Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me a Premium Series number 24 Subaru WRX STI NBR Challenge. So I had this one for quite a while. I don't think I reviewed this one before. So yeah, let's finally review the STI. Anyway, sorry for not making a video these past few days. My last exam is on Monday, so yeah, after that I'll be making videos hopefully once every day. So let's get into the car without any further ado. Anyway, so we can see the picture of the rear of the car at the top, and for the front view, for the front view of the car, it's on the front of the box. For the back, it's just, your random boring stuff. But for the sides, we can see another front view and a really great front view. This one actually looks like a real car, but it's actually the Tomica version. So really cool right there. There's also the name here on the front, on this side as well, and on the top. So, if you're looking for the name, it's everywhere on the box. So going into the car right now, we can see, wait, where's the wing? Well, it's inside here. I thought I lost it, but it's in this separate little plastic bag right here, and yeah, it just clips right on. It's a bit flimsy, but hey, it's really nice that they included this huge wing. Huge wing. Like, do I have any other cars here? Nope. Yeah, I do. Here is, never mind. This car right here. Look at how high that wing is right there. So yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty neat. It's a really big wing. And anyway, let's get into the proper review. So for the front bumper right here, we have really nice carbon fiber feel. Hopefully you can get that one on the camera, but it's plastic, but looks insanely like carbon fiber. There we go. That's not actually carbon fiber, by the way. Anyway, for the, this one looks like the FK8R, which came out last month, or I think 2 months ago, depending on when you're watching it. Anyway, yeah, really nicely detailed, and accompanied by a black little, what do you call that? Black little touch-up right there. I'm just going to call it touch-up. Black little touch-up right there from the, right above the front bumper right there. It's on die-cast. Sorry, just my car brain is kind of off right now because it's exam period, right? So, anyway, we have your front light tampos in silver. Little STI over there with your red racing, kind of theme. Subaru logo right there, and Falcon on the bonnet. Yeah, I know my car knowledge is slipping away right now in the exam period. Hopefully it comes back afterwards. And yeah, a couple of air vents on the front, asymmetrical right here. As you can see, there's a little black, I forgot the name again, thingy over there, and none over here, and STI over here. And there's a Zurich over here, and 90 because yeah, this is a German sponsored car, as you'll see with some other sponsors. So anyway, there is a Gran Turismo ad on the windscreen right here. The real driving simulator, because yeah, I guess it's a game, right? So anyway, we have the logo of the game right here, and really neat how they just advertised it on the plastic. I don't know if they actually paid for advertisement on this car, or it got free because the actual car in real life had it, and Tomica just, put them all in. Anyway, this is by far my favorite premium because of one simple detail. The tires right here actually have printing on it. So we have your Falcon right here. Really, really neat, because your tires actually have print on them. First time I've ever seen them in Tomica. Hopefully there'll be more, but I doubt it because, now the QC and stuff's all going down. Anyway, another Zurich 90 and STI, really large on the side, and same for here. Here we have another Falcon and Subaru logo. For the roof, it's upside down, we have Subaru, STI in red this time, and Duchess Post. This is the postal service for Germany. And yep, another one that is, stickered onto the back windscreen. So really, really cool that they do the advertisements on the windscreen itself and not on the diecast. And we have a beautiful, beautiful car meeting from the side, from the front, and how about now from the back? We have a beautiful yellow diffuser right here, yellow tinted diffuser, and a little red racing stripe going across the back bumper. So we have Falcon here and rear light tampos. As you can see, when you remove this, it looks pretty damn weird. So imagine like a car driving around like that. It looks pretty weird. But once you add this attachment with STI performance on it, and more stickers at the back on the number plate section. Oops. And this looks like it's about to fall off, but that's actually how it's supposed to work. So you just clip these little things right here into the holes on the car, and boom, we have a complete WRX STI that looks insane. Coming around again, we can see how far the wing juts out at the back. Really far and really high. And we have Falcon back here and another Falcon over here. So this side is pretty much the same as the other side, and there is an air vent there. There's one at the back. Where we'll kind of forgot all the knowledge. Oh my goodness. Have to relearn some car stuff after the exam period. And for the side, the step right there for the door, it's also black. And a whole lot of red detailing for the side. Anyway, for the base, the front of the base is partially carbon fiber. Well, plastic detailed carbon fiber. And the back as well. So we have a little exhaust running through it, but it doesn't really ruin the feel of the carbon fiber plastic, which looks pretty awesome. Anyway, we have Tommy 2017 Subaru WRX STI NBR Challenge made in Vietnam. So yeah, really cool, especially because of the printed tires right here. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for today's review of the Premium Series WRX STI. So thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.